traders. This is Mike with Rip or Die Trading. Day trading live. Ticker symbol AMD like always. Got about 2 minutes till the market opens. This thing has gapped down again. We got a gap to fill at 22.67. We got a little bit of, we got a resistance line above right there at 22.50. And we got, $22 on, even on resistance below as well. Looks like 22.22 was some support this morning in pre-market a few times. And we're getting close to that area right now, so we will see what happens. Gonna keep trying to nail the entries on the best possible risk reward by looking at key levels to get in. This might mean that I miss a good chunk of the moves, but I feel like it has improved my win-loss ratio. I think if my math is correct, I'm green 8 out of the 10 last days. Some of them are just a little bit, but hell, $2 green's better than anything red. So we've bumped up size, and so far entries have been pretty good. Got to work a little bit more on those exits so I can maximize profit and not give any back. But we'll do that over the next couple weeks, and then once we figure that out, we'll increase size. So got about 10 seconds to the bell. Gonna watch this thing. Technically, we're in a little bit of a downtrend, so keep that in mind before we make any decisions. There's the bell. All right, let's see this reaction at 22.50. And didn't get there. See, old school me wants to short right now. That's what I would have done. My gut was telling me to short, but I don't really have a good reason to do so at the moment. And that's why you don't. All right, let's see what happens here at 22.50. Knocked it down. All right. Getting in. Oh, that was kind of dumb. Yep, kind of dumb. We didn't wait for it to build support at 22.50 when we got in. We just got in hoping it would hold, and we're about to pay the price for it if it doesn't go. We got a little lucky here. What do we get filled at? 21. All right, yeah, 22.51. I mean, it's a good looking pattern to get in on, but it's not where we're trying to get in risk reward wise. It hadn't proved itself yet. So we might get a little lucky here if we get some buying action. See, it's holding it down. This is, I'd be thinking about shorting it right now. If I wasn't in long, I wouldn't short it yet. I was having trouble at 2250. It still hadn't proved itself. So right now, if I wasn't in, I'd be looking for it to get to 2260, then come back and bounce down on 2250 again, and then think about getting long. I just got in a little too quick. Part of me wants to just take the profits and wait for the bounce still, but I didn't do it. We'll see. So this is where I'd be looking to get in. This is a better entry than what I got. It's technically higher number, but we're actually building support at that 2250 now. So better lucky than good, I guess, right now. Let's get through 2260 real quick. Not wanting to do that at the moment. Nvidia is ripping, SPY is ripping. Apple's starting to turn up. Could be good news for us. Techs tend to travel together. All right, we're heading, the gap's at 67, so we're getting close to that. I'll watch the reaction at 67. Maybe sell half when we get there, if we get there. I just got some Facebook puts that filled. It must be going up. All right, we need to go if we're going. I didn't like that. I was thinking about getting some of my shares sold there, and I didn't. Hopefully this is just a pullback. 260 is really holding it down. If we could push through 260, I see 267 really quick. Come on, bitch, go. I am not liking. I know this. Looking at it, it looks like a healthy little pullback. I'm getting impatient right now. Let's get through this for the next leg up. There we go. Let's see what happens at 60. If we can get to 67. There's that gap. What are we gonna do there? Let's just blow through it. I know how to get, if I sell right here, it'll go through it. Sell half of it. All right, well, let's see if it goes through it. Make it, no, that might have been a good idea. Now my number to hold is 60. If we get under 60, I'm out. We want 60 to hold. $64, $65. Let's just bust through 70 real quick. Quit farting around. Well, we're ready. We're getting some upper shadows here that don't look nice, showing weakness. Fixing to get out. I'll give it to 58 or 7. If we can't hold. I think it's going to drop quick if we break 60 though. There we go. Push on through. Let's see some 2270s real quick. Like. Here's the push. Here's the push. There's a lot of people there stacked up. We just need to buy right through. 66 got tons of buyers here. Or sellers, I mean, sorry. There we go. We need to get into the good in like 72 or 3 and hold. That gap's holding it down. Ouch. I sold another half of my half, so forth. I got just a little bit left. I'm gonna set a stop at, where are we? We got it at 22.51. We're gonna put it at 22.56. All right, 22.56. And we'll just let it run. See what happens. Not a whole lot of... I'll have to have this thing just run for days if I'm going to make any money on these last 250 shares, but... I'm thinking about... I was thinking about just getting out, but what's another? I mean, I got 28 bucks at risk right now. To risk running $1 and making another 250 bucks, I think I'll just see if we can catch a runner today. If we start to run, I'll slowly ratchet this thing up my stop. Let's see. We want the next one to be 22.70. We want this thing to rip, and then we'll cancel our order and put in another stop for 22.70 if it gets closer to that $23 area. Let's see what's happening. SPY is building some support, it looks like, on the way up. NVIDIA is ripping, and this thing's going to come down and take me out and then rip. Watch. Alright, I'm out. Now it's going to just go to 22.70 now that it took me out in an instant. Oh well, that was we got in right here on the second minute. We're a little lucky because, well, it was a good place to get in. The risk was a lot higher. Right here, it would have been the best place to get in. We got past the 22.50. We came down, tested it, held up as support and then went on. Our entry would have been close to the same. Just without, we would just have more confidence in the trade. We had to hold through this thing coming back on us and testing, whereas we would have had a lot more confidence. So, well, shit, we might be able to get a little short in here. I want to see if this thing go down a little more and then come back up and test 22.50. Because this right here, you know, in all reality of things, is just a little, could be just a little pullback with as much as it had gone up. Yeah, it's about, you know, I don't know, 40-50% down, so could be the place to buy again. Yeah, it's probably more of a place to buy. Only reason being, we're in an uptrend. I'm not supposed to be shorting an uptrend. It just could be where we turn into a downtrend, but we don't know yet. So I'm more leaning towards a buy because of my rules. But we don't. My rules haven't told me to do anything as far as we don't know what's happening here. We'd like to get in as close to the change as possible, but I'm willing to risk a few cents to know what's going on. Our downtrends, our uptrends about might be over. It's holding it down, holding it down. Alright, we're going short. Let's see what happens, guys. We're in at 22.45. You know, it would have been nice to get in close to the 22.50 area, but we were trying to be smart and figure out what was going on. We want to see, there we go. We want to see it get below that 22.33 real quick, and that will bring in a lot more shorts with going from green to red. Yeah, SPY's tanking, Nvidia's tanking right now. Apple's going down. Having trouble here. We need to get past that. Don't like this little bounce. I want to see 22.27 now. Just bust right through. Let's get the low a day real quick. Man, that opening line right there at 34 is holding strong. We need to bust through that. Alright, this is our little testy pullback here. Gotta be strong and hold through this and look for our next kill candle down. Everything's kind of bounced on this minute, so hopefully this is everybody. This is shorts taking profit. You can see The volume candle here on this green is lower than the red, so hopefully that just means short's taking a little bit of profit for the next leg down. We kind of like to see this one break through that 22.34 area, and we could be falling for a bit then. Come on now. I'm ready to make a little bit more money and start my Friday. I'm off today at work. Gonna go get some stuff done and grab some bourbon and celebrate this green day. Alright, breakthrough. You know you want to. I want to see 27. Not 37. 27. Die, bitch. Quit farting around. Looks ugly on the 5-minute chart. Alright, we've seen enough of this bullshit. Time to dive. Hard and fast. Get low. Ah, man. I'm not liking this shit. I just looked at my P&L. I saw 100 a minute ago. Now it's at 20. That sucks. That's kind of got greedy there. I could have taken a quick 100 and called it a day. Looking for that bigger move down though, and it might cost me my profits. It's looking like it. Come on. We're done with this. We want to see 22.33. We're not interested in this 22.45 bullshit. I mean, we got in halfway down this big drop too, so I mean, if we're going to be honest with ourselves, we had to expect some kind of little pullback there. It was due. We were strong. We're going to get rewarded here now. Let's see. 22.30 real quick, like. If we can't get through this soon, I might take half of it off. Come on. We've been patient. We got in at a good price. Reward us. Time to die. Come on. Quit farting around. Let's get a little bit closer to this. Oh. It's starting to get boring. This sideways bullshit. Can we do it? Here we go. Time to break. No, you're making me crazy here, guy. Let's see, what else is going on? Yeah, I think we're ready. Everything's ready to take its next leg down. I know I'm ready for it. Because right now I'm leaning forward with my finger on the sell button, and I kind of like to take a little rest, scoot back a little bit and relax and watch it go down some. Right now I'm all hunched up and tense on the button, waiting to see what's gonna. Here we go. Time. Nope. It just won't get through. Sell, bitch, sell. It's getting ate up. Getting ate up. Ah, got close that time. Everything else is starting to turn down, so this is where we need to break if we're breaking. You know, if I sell half, it'll break. That's just the nature of the game. People are stacking up at 35 again. I should have saw that as an opportunity to really to sell half, protect some of this, but man, oh man, it's really wanting to kick me in the nuts. Alright, if we can get back down there again, it's got to go. This is our time. Alright, this is where we go. Go night-night. It's bedtime, bitch. Alright. Jesus. SPY just bounced on its 5-minute opening range. We needed to pull back and take this with it. I'm actually just getting bored with this shit right now. Alright, I'm done. There's a bunch of buyers stacked up here at 38, so it looks like they're going to try to push it up. I'm not going to sit here and watch it come against me. So, that was a dumb decision, I'm sure. It's about to go down for days, but I don't like to be in a stock that long. Where do we get in at? We got in about... Yeah, we got in right here. That's, 11 minutes of just chop. We just had to... This is stressful trading, this right here. We wanted to make a move a little quicker than that. So, now this is where it kicks me in the nuts and says, why did you sell? We were almost there. There it goes. Finally hit 23.33. And I'm excited about that. Anyhow, oh well. You know, I'm bitching about a green day. Where are we at? 166.50. Yeah. Not a big deal. Thinking about ending this thing before it drops and you guys hear me cry. But, well guys, another green day. That makes it, 9 of 11. Going to continue next week trading with this share size of 1,000, and if I can keep the green consistent, then we're going to jump to 2,000 and so forth. Eventually we're going to catch one of these at a good price where we get the big move. I thought we were going to get it here. We started to break down, and we've just been going sideways ever since, and I'm just ready to get going on the day, so I sold, and we're about to see this thing drop. just so that I can call myself a dumbass. Anyhow, you guys have a great weekend. If you like these videos, you know the drill. Subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you guys Monday. Well, you'll hear me Monday.